This is Carol at Sedona Artist Studio. Today, I'm going to support a panel for a practice painting. These are Frederick stretchers. They're wooden. You can buy other brands. They go together pretty simply. You get the sizes that you need and you square them up. 4 pieces, and you have a stretcher frame for a canvas. Well, I'm not going to use them for canvas. I'm going to use them to support a wooden panel, a very thin wooden panel. These wooden panels will warp with pour painting, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to glue this onto this stretcher frame. I will use Gorilla Glue and my clamps to clamp them down. It's not a long process. I'll let this sit overnight. That's about all I have to do. Just put the glue on, and I'll be moving that around a little bit with a popsicle stick. I just put a bead all the way along. Suggest that you always square these up, and of course I'm squaring it up with the panel underneath. Now I just put the clamps on here. We're going to have a supported wooden panel overnight that will glue together nice and tight. And I put like 2 on both ends and then 2 or 3 on the side, the longer side. If you don't have these C-clamps, but you do have spring clamps will do the same thing. They'll hold it. And of course, if you didn't have any clamps, you could put it together, assemble it as I have here, and then set some heavy objects on it. I can always adjust. There's still time with the Gorilla Glue to adjust if I need to. And I don't think I will because these are matched very nicely. So there you have it. A support. I do this also with the canvas panels. Good morning, it's Carol from Sedona Artist Studio. It's been 24 hours since I glued these canvas stretcher. I used C-clamps, as you can see. Arthritis, not a good thing. Now, I am confident that this is glued well. What I will do is add some more. I don't need the clamps for that. I'm pretty sure that the board will not warp. having done this, and that I will be able to pour that liquid acrylic for painting on this. This is good and sturdy, an easy way to use up some of the supplies sitting around in my studio for years. Now pour in here a little more Gorilla Glue that will secure the joints and add strength to the frame. If you don't have stretcher frames, you could use 1x, butt it up against the corners, and glue them to the panel. Get your muse going. You're ready for painting. Bye for now.